Hi guys, Namaste, welcome to my channel. This reading is for the zodiac sign Cancer and it is for the month of December 2021, though my readings are very much timeless, but it will fit you the most if you're watching in and around December of 2021. Cancer, I feel like you are really worn out. I feel like you have not had a good time, especially in the recent months, recent weeks, or maybe for the entire year. I was very stressed when I was shuffling cards for you. So, I don't know, can you please comment below that you have not had a good time or a good year? Because I definitely have something positive for you here, but I just feel that you are a very worn out zodiac of this year. Anyways, so my lovely Cancers, you know what? You are receiving divine help. Sudden and shocking help. It will be you'll be very amazed, when things do not work out for us, and then suddenly there is some help. It could be divine, it could be through a human being or whatever, or it could be our past karmas. We feel so shocked and amazing, and it feels so good. Like you are not, at first you will not believe it, but eventually you will. So I think you will receive that kind of help or call in December. Also, you are asked to maintain a positive outlook. The reason why, because you've been maintaining positive outlook. It's not that you were always upset or angry with whatever it was happening in your life, whether through internal sources or external sources. I feel like you guys were still looking forward. You had that positive outlook. So guys, honestly, it will be rewarded. So you don't worry about that. And through some assistant, like I have already said that you guys will receive some shocking help. I also see that someone is going to assist you in your journey now. Also, were you on the on the verge of losing it all? Because I also felt like some of you were at the edge and you guys have really, carried yourself with grace and dignity. All this is getting rewarded, guys, so don't worry. I also see that there is a message. I feel like there is a message for you guys, a particular message. There will be some minor change in your situation in December 2021, and I particularly feel this is about career and finances. So there is going to be a minor change when you don't give up. So don't give up, guys. In case you are planning to give up, don't give up. There is going to be a minor change in your situation. I also feel that some of you are going through divorces or breakups. So please, if you are, I really want to hug you tight. It's such a, drained feeling, and I really would like to send you my love and my affection and a lot of encouragement from my side. So all of you guys, the people who are suffering from financial issues and those who are going through divorces or breakups, there is a minor change in your situation, and around 20th December. So you can probably note down the date. I just felt like it is 20th December. You're releasing stress in 2021. So like the last 10 days, I guess you will release all your stress and all your anything which was draining you emotionally. I see that. You might go for a retreat, and if not, please go for a retreat, because I really feel you need a vacation for some time. You need some time for yourself. Pamper yourself, love yourself, guys. It's important. Or I don't know, for some of you, I feel like you need to watch your mental health, guys. You could be suffering from depression or some mental health disorder. I'm sorry, I don't want to pinpoint these things, but I guess it's no more a taboo, and it shouldn't be a taboo. We should probably be talking about mental health. So I feel like some of you are suffering from depression or mental health issues. Please, 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 guys, talk to somebody, talk to some expert. They can probably guide you. Go out, talk to some counselor, therapist. I'm sure you will bounce back. Okay, and if not, then keep an eye on your mental health, guys. I think especially during eclipse or moon cycles, this lunar eclipse and solar eclipse, you should, I think, watch it very, very you have to be very careful around eclipse. We just had lunar eclipse, and there is going to be a solar eclipse, so be watchful, and also be mindful around new moon and full moon. So full moon cycle and the eclipses can trigger you guys. Okay, and comment below how was your lunar eclipse which just passed. So if it was visible in your country, please do comment below, and I would really like to know how it was. Were you triggered? Were you angry? Were you emotional? Because I feel like this pile has been triggered during the eclipse and will be triggered in the coming eclipse. So be mindful, be careful, take care of yourself. For you, my Cancers, advice is chant mantras, especially Om. You see the Om symbol here. Please chant that. It is the most powerful symbol and powerful word around the world. It has changed my life, so I guess it will also be of some use for you. It's very beautiful. Chant that, or you can just browse videos on YouTube, listen to that. The whole vibration that it generates, it's really beautiful, guys. Okay, and it will be very, very, very helpful, especially in December. Guys, I also have a feeling that something good can also happen with you around Christmas. I don't know why. I got this message at the last minute. In fact, I was about to end your reading, but I felt like something good will happen to you around Christmas. So yay! Happy Christmas. Look forward, guys. I also have a message. It's not a message, it's a quote. I don't know why when I was shuffling your cards and I was trying to channel messages for you, I got this message. Listen to it, guys. Kind words do not cost much, yet they accomplish much. Kind words do not cost much, yet they accomplish much. So, guys, that is it for me from my side. For the most accurate form of reading for the month of December, I would recommend you watch your sun, moon, and ascendant rising. All the 3 signs are important. So that is it. And I hope you guys take care of yourself. Lots of love. See you again. Bye bye.